Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks accounting software. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting program that helps businesses manage their financial transactions, including invoicing, payroll, and expense tracking. To get started, you will need to set up your company file by providing basic information such as company name, address, and industry type. Once you have set up your company file, you can start navigating the QuickBooks interface, which is divided into several key areas, including the navigation bar, the toolbar, and the main window. The navigation bar provides access to the different modules of the program, such as customers, vendors, and employees. The toolbar provides shortcuts to frequently used functions, and the main window displays the current transaction or report. To manage your customers, you will need to create customer profiles, which include contact information, billing addresses, and payment terms. You can also track customer transactions, such as invoices, payments, and credits. To create an invoice, simply select the customer, add the necessary items, and specify the payment terms. In addition to managing customers, QuickBooks also allows you to manage your vendors and track expenses. You can create vendor profiles, track vendor transactions, and reconcile vendor statements. To track expenses, you can create expense accounts and assign expenses to specific accounts. One of the key features of QuickBooks is its ability to generate financial reports, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your company's financial performance and can be used to make informed business decisions. To ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date, it is essential to perform regular reconciliations of your bank and credit card statements. This involves comparing your QuickBooks transactions to your bank and credit card statements and making any necessary adjustments. Best practices for using QuickBooks include setting up a regular backup schedule, using secure passwords, and limiting user access to sensitive financial data. It is also a good idea to regularly review your financial reports and to seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the program. By following these steps and using QuickBooks regularly, you can streamline your accounting processes and gain a better understanding of your company's financial performance. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, QuickBooks is an essential tool for any business looking to manage its finances effectively.